Enjoy the Fredericksburg lifestyle in this fabulous 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. Built in 2002 with a clean and well-planned 1,502 square feet floor plan, this beautiful home will sell fast. Welcome your guests into an opulent main level of genuine wood floors with tons of natural light bouncing through the windows. Create amazing memories in a lovely spot for dining and entertaining. Take advantage of the expansive eat-in kitchen area to enjoy delicious meals and chat about your day, before adjourning to the enormous 2-level deck. Retreat to your sanctuary, owner's suite, and rejuvenate or surrender to the Sandman. Don't forget there is an opportunity for a game room and an exercise room in the additional 527 square feet of finished living area. Rare brick front in the highly sought-after Salem Fields subdivision.